Hey guys, it's Nela here. Today I'm doing an absolute insane challenge. I'm gonna be eating these Volcano Chicken Noodles, which are curry flavored, and apparently these things are really, really hot. Now, I've never tried these before, but obviously I've tried the Korean Fire Noodles before and they were absolutely insane. Apparently these are worse. I did a little bit of digging online and it says that these devilishly red junk food noodles clock in at around 8,000 on the Scoville scale, which I think is quite high. I'm not sure, I don't know that much about chilies. But according to this person, this is one of the spiciest instant ramen that you can get, which is quite insane because I've had like the 3 times spicy Korean Fire Noodles and oh my god, they absolutely burnt my mouth. It was insane. And then someone else says that they're extremely spicy and they don't really taste like curry, but it's like licking a volcano. So yeah, apparently I'm gonna be licking a volcano today. I'm quite excited to try these though. They've been sitting in my cupboard for like so long because I got them ages ago and was like, okay, I'll do a challenge with these, and then just kind of forgot about them. But yeah, I had to do a challenge, I had to do a video today because I was actually planning to do one on Friday, but now we've gone back into lockdown, so all my like plans have been cancelled, which is quite annoying. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy me absolutely dying eating these spicy ass noodles. Alright, so I've got the noodles here, and let me tell you, I like licked off a little bit from the side to clean up the plate, and it was very, very hot. So I'm a little bit worried because it tasted hotter than the 3 times spicy Korean Fire Noodles. It doesn't look as red to me, but the smell that's coming off, I wish you guys could smell it. It's like you breathe in and you can just like smell the spicy. But yeah, I'm gonna time myself because I'm hopeful that I can eat this whole thing, but I don't know if I'll be able to, but hopefully I can. So I'm gonna time myself. I've got some Coke just down there just in case I need a drink. But yeah, this is gonna be interesting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy me torturing myself. And yeah, let's go. Alright. Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and go! Alrighty, first bite. I'm worried. Alright. Oh, that. Okay, yeah. Alright. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I don't know if it's spicier, but it's just like a different kind of spice. Like it almost wins you. Like it feels like, you know, you ate something spicy and you feel like you got hiccups. My mouth isn't burning yet though, so I'm gonna try to just eat as many as I can before my mouth starts to burn, because that's what killed me with the 3 times spicy Korean Fire Noodles. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I think my problem was last time I took too long. So I'm just gonna try and inhale them. My mouth is starting to burn a bit. The real problem is when like the outside of your mouth starts to burn, because that's like the most painful part. Oh my god. The ones underneath are like more spicy because they've got more sauce on them. Okay. Ugh. And I made the sauce too runny. There's like, the ones underneath are like really spicy. I have to alternate between the top ones and the bottom ones. Oh my god. Okay, the burn is like really sitting in on the outside of my mouth now. And my mouth looks red. Oh, fuck me. Okay, I can do this. Oh my god. Oh my, it is like, it feels like you're winded in a way. I'm gonna try to get through this with no drink, because I think that also messed me up last time, because once you drink it gets worse. Like, I want a drink so bad right now, but no. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. I am crying. I'm actually crying. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, my nose is running as well. Oh my god. My mouth is so sore. Oh my god, I need a drink. I just know the drink's gonna make it worse. No drink, no drink, no drink. You're gonna start with. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need a drink. I'll show you in my mouth first. Oh, that was just absolutely. Oh. Wait, look at how. That's too bright, you can't see the redness. That feels better. Okay. Whew. Oh, I'm getting the stomach cramps as well now. Oh my god. Yeah, liquid definitely makes it worse. It's like getting spicier now. Okay, well. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that was. Oh. This is not ideal, as I've got like a tutorial where I have to give like a presentation in an hour, so that's not ideal, but hopefully I can like. If I've got some ice cream I can eat. I think I do. Oh my god. I can feel my lips like swelling. You don't even need lip fillers, just, you know, eat volcano noodles. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, it's getting bad. Why is it getting so much worse? The 3 times spicy Korean noodles weren't this bad. They were like more bad when I was eating it, but they didn't have the same kind of like afterburn. Okay. Alright. 5 minutes 18. So I did that in 5 minutes 18, which I think is amazing. Like that was 4 big packs of noodles. And they're hot. Like the initial eating and just like bites weren't as bad as the Korean Fire Noodles, but then once it kind of like kicked in, I could just feel my lips and like my mouth going like that. It was just like pulsating, and I could feel like a hiccup kind of things coming on. I just felt almost like breathless. But yeah, I'm proud I did that, and especially with no liquid as well until the very end. I'm sorry, my mouth's really hot. Yeah, I'm actually really proud of myself because that was hot and my mouth is stinging right now, but it was worth it because I actually finished it for once, which I'm excited about, and I can't smile because it makes it worse. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any ideas about videos that you want me to do in the future. Another really cool thing would be if you guys could join my channel memberships. I've already got an amazing group of people on there. You know, even if it's the bottom one, just a little bit of support is really nice, and I really appreciate you guys that have already done that. And yeah, hopefully next few weeks, I don't know how long this lockdown's gonna last in New Zealand. Oh my god, this is hot. but I think it's going to be a little while just because it's the Delta variant. And even though I'm fully vaccinated, you can obviously still get it. I'm not too sure when I'm going to be going back to hospital for work. They've told us just to like stay home for now. Oh my god. Okay. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I have to think of like more creative challenges that I can do that I've got like laying around my house. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. On the positive side, my lips have never looked as good as they do right now. Don't even need to get lip fillers.